Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to empty your recycle bin or trash inside Windows using a Python script here. We will be using a library called as Winshell. So with the help of this script, you should be automatically delete all the files which is present inside your recycle bin, which files which you don't need. So let me just show you the demo of the application, how to do this. So you will see currently this is my recycle bin. Nothing, no files are present here. Let me delete some image files here from here. Let me delete all these files. Click delete. And now you will see all the files have been transferred here. You will see these are present inside recycle bin. So if I click on them, it can't open because it is there inside recycle bin. So now we will write a simple Python script. We need to delete these items from the recycle bin. So for this, we will make use of a module which is Winshell. So here you will write the command pip install Winshell. So this is a module. Simply install this module. This will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds. I have already installed this module. So if you want the full source code, I have given the full example in the video description. This is my blog post where I have written complete example. And now to use this module, it is very simple. First of all, we will import this module, Winshell. And then inside this module, there is a method out there which is recycle underscore bin. And inside this, there is a empty method. So basically, this expects some arguments here which needs to be passed here. First will be the confirm box here, which will be shown to the user. So this can be either true or false. Let me make it true. And it will basically ask for you to just have a pop-up window just to ask you whether you need to delete these files or not, and whether you need to show the progress bar as well whenever deleting files. So this again will be a boolean parameter. So I will set this to again false, sorry, true. I need the progress bar. And lastly, we also need to have some sort of notification whenever the delete process is completed. So sound parameter, this can be either true or false. So I will be giving as true here. So this is just a 2 lines of code here. You will see this is, we have written the script. Now we can run the script here. So we are there inside the same folder here. So you will see image to text. Let me turn on the volume so that you can listen the volume as well. So basically, if I run the script python app.py, you will see this recycle bin will be automatically deleted, all the files. If I, you will see it is saying to us that cannot find the script. Let me open this inside my file explorer. So you can see this is the, so let me close that window. So here I will again run the Python script python app.py. And now basically you will see this is the dialog box will appear, delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 12 items? So you can just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So two options are there. Either you can choose yes or no. I will choose yes. And now a simple progress bar will be there. And you can see all the files have been deleted. So I have listened that sound, but you haven't been able to listen that sound because of the OBS Studio, because I'm recording it. So this is a really cool little application. So this can delete as many files that it can have in recycle bin. So you can have so much data inside recycle bin. Simply execute the script and it will automatically delete all the files. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.